How to create Bullx account. Access Bullx and sign up. From the link and to start, either search for Bullx in your browser or click the first link into the description, which will take you directly to the Bullx and sign up page. Connect Telegram account onto the Bullx and sign up page. You will need to connect your Telegram account to access Bullx features. Click the Connect Telegram button and log into the Telegram if you have Telegram on desktop. Open it here or continue through your browsers. The Bullx bot will be open to your wallet account. Click on the Start button to begin. Set username in your Telegram and then go to the settings and click on the Add Username. Set a unique username. You can use something random and click Save. Return to the Bullx setup, and once your username is set, exit the settings and continue with the Bullx account setup. Click on Start button again and use access code, which is an optional. If you have early access code, paste it in provided section and click send. Your early access will then be redeemed. You can also find the early access code into the description below with the sign up link. Log in into your account, and to log in, click on login button and then click onto the Access Bullx program and fund your wallet. After logging in, you can buy and fund your wallet by either scanning the provided QR code or copying the public address. However, funding is optional and can be done later. To proceed, click Start Trading. You're ready to Bullx. After completing the setups, you are now inside your Bullx account and ready to start trading. And that's about it. Thank you for watching.